and the entire full report has not come. They have more than 17 people have been picked up by the police to be interrogated and find out more details of what happened. So some people are still on the move, but I've been actually quite busy today with the HM, so I could not get the report as of now. So I think the Home Minister, Government of Meghalaya, will be in a better position to give that. But this was the last report that I received, which was early morning, that this is the status. So some people have been picked up, and they are interrogating them on how this happened and why this happened. And from the government side, we have already filed a FIR. There is section 302 that is put up for murder. But obviously murder takes place, and that's why these rules are there to catch the people who then commit the crime. So similarly, there are laws put in place for anybody who does illegal mining, and the MMDR Act is very, very strong about it, and there is a 5-year imprisonment, in fact, in this, and therefore these rules and laws are made. So therefore, if anybody is conducting illegal mining, is involved in illegal mining, the government will take very strict action against those.